In previous video I had shown you which model of pen holder I am using it, how to download it, and which size of the pen holder I am using, and then I showed you how to remove supports and how to assemble that pen holder and how to draw a picture using that pen holder. And in this video I'm going to show you how to write using bambulab A1. So let's begin. Go to your Google or whatever browser you are using and write text to svg.com. Go there, write your text and convert your text into svg format. You can write whatever you want, just like me. I'm writing any agreement in foreseeable by law is a contract under section 2 clause H of Contract Act. Then we can download it by clicking blue button which is here and go to our Bamboo Studio. This is our old sketch profile which we were using before. Then now we have to import that SVG format. It's so big, so we have to decrease the size of our SVG format by clicking the scaling option and click uniform scale because we don't need it here. And just look at this. This is the text which we are going to print or write using bambulab A1. Now go to our objects and delete all the objects here because these are related to our former picture drawing. But don't delete that AAA. That is our little indicator when printer is going to write all the text. Just first merge the text into one, and then we have to merge its whole text into the assembly so we can just move it up. There is no other way than this. Now to move it little bit up, we have to select the text model and just write 5 millimeters on the Z axis. Now just look at this. This is we are going to write using bambulab A1. Now let's slice it and print it, but make sure the flow dynamic calibration is off because we don't need it here. And now we have to wait until the bambulab A1 level is bed, because if we plug our model here, then it can damage our build plate. Yes, then we have to put paper just like that as we did earlier using magnets. You can use paper clippers or you can use different magnets, whatever the size you want to. I had 20mm magnet, so that I used. Then plug our model, pen holder model, just like this, and it started writing. But make sure you adjust your nozzle tip of your pen which you are using in it so that it can write properly. If you have any query, you can comment on it, and if you like this video, you can subscribe the channel or follow Fuationglobal at Instagram. Yes, this is our result.